Hello and welcome. In this video, we hope to see how we can zoom in a Google Doc file. So I have a file right here, and if you look closely, it's not zoomed in. Now there are two methods to zoom any web page. You can either press Control and use the mouse wheels just like this by pressing the Control or the Command button on your keyboard, and the wheels when you move or drag it up or down. So with the wheels revolving, the page changes. But notice it also changes all the setting of the document. Now I don't want that, so I will make it go back to 100, and then this is the dedicated zoom button for this Google Doc. So I press here and just make it 200. So now the entire document remains the same, but the only changes are made in this part. So it is now quite big, so I would like to reduce it further to 150, and this is now readable, and you can use this for your Google Doc file by zooming into 150, and that is quite easy to see now. So that's it, guys, and keep yourself tuned in for more videos on such topics. Thank you.